Good day, sir. Say mga buds. Now we're going to tackle about the basic course principles and structures about the continent that we choose, about the Europe continent. And the country that we choose was the country of France. So, country of France, their type of government was semi-presidentials. Kagaya dito sa Pilipinas. Ang Pilipinas ay pinamumunuan ng ating presidente. At ang presidente na yon ay may rights na pamunuan ng kanyang nasasakupan at tayo ay nasa Democratic Republic. Okay. Sa inisyal naman ay klasifikasyon, ang mga tao ay may karapatan, kagaya sa Pilipinas, meron silang karapatan na piliin ang kanilang gustong maging leader para ito yung gusto nilang mamuno sa kanila. Sa source of legitimacy naman, ang mga tao ay may karapatan, ang uri ng kanilang pagboto ay fair, ayon sa konstitusyon niya ng 1958 sa kanilang bansa.
Citizens' participation and decision making. Citizens' participation and rights. Role of citizens. Citizens participate in voting in presidential, legislative, and local elections. Protest, strikes, civil society, groups, and political parties. Suffrage. Universal suffrage for citizens age 18 and above. Voting is optional but highly encouraged. Decision-making process. How are laws made? Proposal. A bill is introduced by the government of parliament. Debate and amendments, both houses, National Assembly, and Senate. Examine and may amend it. Voting. Both chambers must approve it. The National Assembly can override the Senate if needed. Enactment. The President signs the bill into law.
Strengths and weaknesses. Potential strengths and advantages. Stable democratic system. Check and balance between President and Parliament. Efficient lawmaking and governance when majority support exists. Protects individuals' right and freedom of speech. Allows for public participation, civil activism. Potential weaknesses and disadvantages. Possibility of political gridlock if president and parliament come from opposing parties. Slow reforms due to bureaucracy of lack of consensus. Fragmentation among multiple political parties, risks, protests, and strikes disrupting government services.